Hey guys, it's Queen Vic and it's and today I'm doing a car mukbang, burning the fuck up. So today in the mukbang, whatever, we have get and go. If you know, you know. Period, bitch. And we got these little, I hate when shit falls in the bag, but then when you like find, you know, that last fry that's in there and you're like, oh shit. It'd be hype. These are like potato things. Because I'm not really a big fan of get and go fries. And then I got 2 burgers, bitch, because it be like that sometimes, okay? It really do. And I'm an everything type of bitch. Like, I get everything on my stuff. Don't be coming to me with no plain ass shit because it ain't. Figured there's some people out there that's gonna enjoy watching me just smash my face because I enjoy watching that. So if you do, welcome. This is what the burger looks like, real messy. This is what a burger should look like. Don't come to me with anything other, okay? Oh yeah. I like enjoy watching people talk and eat at the same time, and other people are like, ew, that's so gross, but I like it. Fuck yeah. I have no napkins. What am I gonna do? That's one of my favorite burgers ever. You do that, and then and boom, your hands are clean. Voila. Lemonade break. I like cut off my soda. And I'm a happier person, really. I have such a long neck, like why? But yeah, I think I might skip class today, which I shouldn't, but like, fuck. Started this new job and like, just fucking, it's just one of those days where it's just like, fuck, I can't. But then again, I want to like push through and be the bad bitch I know I can be. You know? I think it's like when your mind knows like, if I skip this class, it's not going to affect me. I'm going to skip. Sucks. My highlight is popping today, bitch. Thank God this pimple is like starting to go away so I can like actually live my fucking best life. But like, do you see that spot I missed in my brow? When you actually draw on your brows and don't have any. My freaking hair just like busted out of its. Oh no. What the fuck? Guess that's what I get for buying cheap shit, but that's why, bitches, listen. Always keep a hair bow on your wrist because when bitches want to try you, you can say, hold on. This is what you say. What's good? What's good, bitch? I'm trying to think of what I should even talk about. So yeah, I started this new job. It's rough, to say the least. But, and if you don't know me, I don't work. I try to put off working so much. But I just got to a point where, like, I'm ready to be the bad bitch that I know I can be. Like, I don't want to have to depend on anyone else's money or, like, that just is not the vibe. I want to say, I like it. I want it. I like it. Wait, I like it. I want it. I got it. You know what I'm saying? And also, I feel like when you're working and making your own money, it pushes you towards people that are working and have their own money. Like, how do y'all bad bitches be working on your shits, taking care of a whole dude? Like, not that. Oh, shit. Sometimes eating takes a lot of effort. I ain't trying to fuck with nobody for their money. I don't want that. I feel like my last relationship was very much like, I'm not gonna say she held money over my head, but or I was with her for money, but it was definitely like, oh, you take care of me, this is comfortable. Like, I don't want to, that's what it is. I don't want to be fucking comfortable. I never want to be satisfied. I always want to keep going. I want more and more and more, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes, being content and peaceful is nice, but like, I want that with also like, always want to be excited. People don't excite me no more, and I'm like, yeah, this is boring. Like when they say the same old shit, or like, I don't know. Be real. I'll be so excited if you're just real with me, because like, where's that at? You know what I'm saying? You know when you're like in the talking stage with someone and you're very sexually attracted to them, but like, what do you do in that situation? Because like, I just don't know. Society just puts so much bullshit in people's heads. Like, if you want to fuck someone, fuck someone. But it comes down to like, I want to fuck with you before I fuck you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to know how your brain operates before I decide, like, because I'm telling you, once you get to know someone, they might be sexually attracted at the beginning, but then once you get to know them, it's like, ooh, that ain't it, sis. So now, you gotta fuck my mind before you fuck her. Oh, God. Someone teach me how to do that. If you can't roll your R's, I can't even speak English, and I'm trying to like learn a whole other language. Like, what, bitch? I need to learn that, because I just feel like that would just step up my like badass bitch game. Oh, water. Shit. That sums my life up. How's yours going? I'm sorry if you've ever thought about fucking me, because this video right here is going to end that. Actually, y'all are fucking freaks, and y'all probably want me more. So, car dates or in restaurant dates? I'm a car bitch. I seen that shit coming, bro. Sorry. But, what was I doing? Yeah, car. I'm a car date type of bitch, like, for sure. I don't know, just something about just chilling in a car vibing. Like, I vibed with people so hard in the car. I mean, it makes that shit. I'm just saying. I would have to say tea. Any kind of tea. Or lemonade is like my vibe. You know what I'm looking for? I want a gentleman. So bad. I want someone to open the door for me. I want someone to like kiss my forehead while I'm sleeping. I just want, I don't know. I kind of do wish it was back in the old days. Alright, I gotta put this hamburger down. Look, I ate half of it. Somewhat. And I ate a whole other one, so like, go me. Like, I gotta chill. Oh, I gotta fucking shit now. But I just want to be swept off my feet. I want that shit. That bitches want love too. I'm about to take some badass pictures. But I did not bring my tripod, so I'm like, how am I gonna... I'm just gonna have to find shit to set my phone up on. There's like people here, but then again, it's like, it's me, so do I care? Sure don't. But then again, I don't want them to see what it really looked like in real life and then see it on Instagram and be like, that wasn't it, sis. I'm just kidding. I've definitely settled down on the editing. Like, I look back at the old pictures, you know, from like 2013 and like, that contrast and brightness hurts. In saturation, it really does hurt me. And I thought that was cute. The bitch is getting full, yeah. I'm decided I'm not going to class today. Like, I'm right above it. I'm looking at it and I'm like, can't do it. Sorry, Mom. I just worked 3 days in a row. Like, I deserve to just... me, that's me. Me, that's me. Adulting. Like, most people are like, I just worked 7 days in a row. Like, I just need to chill. And I'm like, I worked 3 days in a row. Not even one of them was over 8 hours. Like, not even 8 hours. But I do housekeeping. And that's just hard. And I guess I can vlog how I take my selfies when I'm by myself without a tripod. Ooh. And a ooh. That should be happening to me. I'm like, and a ooh. Like, I'll send a flirty text and I'm like, and a ooh. Okay, you get the point. Sometimes I just chew to see how loud I can get. Like, that shit satisfies my ears. I don't know why. I know it should be like, but it's not. I was definitely like dropped on my head as a kid. You're like, bitch, we know. Like, people are like, you're so pretty, da 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 da. And I'm like, I'm a dumb bitch, okay? I'm so full. You know, you get to that point where you feel sick, but you keep going. That was like 5 minutes ago.
Fuck. 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 I like that way better. Close your eyes. Give me your hand, darling. What we doing this time? I put your hands up in the sky. I'ma be on TV, mama. Like, what? What? I'm a push it down. Oh, 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 I'm good. Welcome to the good life. Got the weed.
I'm done. You know when you don't know the words, but you want to so bad. Go off. Okay. I feel that. I'm just gonna delete all these because I don't care about a fucking thing. Don't
Wanna miss a thing, even when I dream of you. The sweetest dream I'll never do. I'd still miss you, baby. Don't wanna miss a thing.
like when you're a conceited ass bitch. Oh. Oh. And a, oh. That's all me. All me. Still all me. Wow. Wow. I'll show you my inspiration for my vibe today. I literally just copied her whole like vibe. She's got hoops in, she's got aviators on, she's got the bun in the back, you feel me? Like, it's a vibe. She's a vibe, honestly. She's a vibe. Whoever she is, hit me up. God damn. Okay, and I'm changing my shirt to this little slutty top that I have because duh. Literally because duh. I figured why not vlog because this is how I talk to myself when I'm alone. So why not just fucking let y'all see the truth. Taking acid. I hate me, but I love me so much. Here's the cute little slut top that I made out of just a regular Walmart tank top. And I just cut that bitch and you will see it on and you're gonna be like, oh, I see what you did there. You would not believe your eyes. 10 million fireflies. I fell asleep. There's a cup. There's a cup. There's boys looking at me. They think they wanna fuck, but they don't know that they don't. Mood. Okay. Ooh, my arms are so muscular. Okay, I'm gonna show you all the bad boys real quick. That's from being a bad bitch when I was little. But I roll up the window so no one steals me away. Alrighty. Let's see. I'll take a little double chin action for you, really turn y'all on. I'm thinking we could get some good stuff. Right here. Let y'all really see the action of what's going on. Boom. Myself in it. Shit. He got his shot. Oh, sexy. Okay, well, since I can't figure out what I'm gonna do, probably just gonna go home and take a nap and then edit some slutty pictures because that's what I'm fucking good at. So, until next time, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have a good fucking day because I know I will. Bye. Hello guys, it is Vic from a later date. Well, later in the day. And I'm driving while holding an iPad because I clearly want to wreck. But, I just wanted to get on here and, basically just have a moment where I I can actually talk freely about my emotions. And I just want to say I really just considered smashing in the cards and ending it all, okay? So, but I did. I'm still here. So, I'm pretty much a strong-ass bitch. But yeah, I'm done being dramatic, okay? Just wanted to put that out there. Bye.